Hello and welcome to this brief training video about Fast Company's Virtual Minutebooks module. Virtual Minutebooks can help you save time and money with your corporate work. Today I'll be showing you how to add documents to the Virtual Minutebook, as well as edit, open, delete, and move documents from within the Virtual Minutebook. We will also review adding registers and ledgers individually and in bulk. In this video, we will take a look at adding, opening, editing, deleting, and moving documents to the Virtual Minutebook. We'll also take a look at adding registers and ledgers. To add a document to each category, highlight the category and click Add or DP Filer. Adding documents with the Add button will open your File Explorer window. Simply find and select the document you wish to add to that category. You can add this document by clicking and adding Open or double-clicking the document. Each time you add a document, the following message will appear. Click Yes to add the document. Once the document has been added, the document information window will appear where you enter a description and an effective date if desired. The information you enter in each of these areas will appear in the table of contents when the Virtual Minutebook is created. Note that if you do not enter the document description, the file name exactly as it is shown will appear in the table of contents. You will note that I can now see my file name, the document description which appears in the Virtual Minutebook, as well as my effective date, and the last date modified. You'll also be able to see the size of the particular document you added. Adding documents with the DP Filer will directly open your DP Filer. From here, you can select Word documents or PDF documents. From here, you can add documents to the Virtual Minutebook in two different ways. Find the document, select it, and click Add, or drag and drop the document from the DP Filer directly into the gray area beside the category. This will automatically create the document in a PDF format. You are now able to again enter that document description as well as effective date for this particular document. We can now see all the same information at the top, including our file name, document description, effective date, and last modification date. And just a quick reminder that if you don't enter the document description, the file name is what will appear in the table of contents of your Virtual Minutebook. Once a document has been added to a category, you can view the document by selecting the document and clicking Open. If the category has been set up with a watermark, the watermark will be added to the document at this time. To edit a document description and effective date, click Edit. Select OK. To delete a document in any category, simply highlight the document and select Delete on the bottom menu. The following confirmation window will appear. Click Yes to delete the document. If you added a document to the wrong category, it can be moved in one of two ways, either drag and drop or by selecting Move To. The easiest way to move the document to another category is by highlighting the document and dragging and dropping it to the correct category. The information screen will appear. Select Yes to move the document. You will get a confirmation indicating that you have moved that document. To use the Move To option, simply highlight the document and select Move To. A category window will appear, and you just need to simply select the category that the document needs to be moved to. Select OK. There are additional functions available with your right-click drop-down menu. Simply select on top of the document and you'll see your drop-down menu. This will give you all the functionality that we have at our bottom options, including uploading documents individually to Unity-C. We will now take a look at adding registers and ledgers to the virtual minutebook. This is done directly through the Forms and Registers tab. To add a document individually, simply select your effective date and the register or ledger you want to create. Clicking the virtual minutebook icon at the top left will create your register or ledger. Once the register or ledger has been created, it will be added to the virtual minutebook in the corresponding category associated with that document. The following message will appear indicating that that document has been successfully added to the virtual minutebook. When we re-enter the virtual minutebook, we can see that document in the corresponding category. From here, we can note that last modification date. It is very important to note that existing registers and ledgers will be replaced with the newly created and uploaded version within the virtual minutebook. You also have the ability to batch export registers and ledgers directly to the virtual minutebook. On the home page, you will see the batch export to virtual minutebook. From here, you will be able to select some or all of the registers and ledgers that you wish to export directly to the virtual minutebook. Click Export. Once all registers and ledgers have been created, the following Export to Virtual Minutebook window will appear, showing a list of all registers and ledgers that have been added directly to the virtual minutebook. Click OK. Within the virtual minutebook, we will now be able to see within those corresponding categories the virtual minutebook documents. For each one of these documents, you will also have the ability to edit the document description and add an effective date if you so wish. As noted before, this information will now appear in the table of contents of your virtual minutebook. If you would like to learn more information about the virtual minutebook, please visit www.duprocess.com. Click on the Help Center link in the top right corner and select Fast Company, or you can contact us by email at inquiries@duprocess.com or by phone at 1-866-367-7648.